Let's crack the Cognizant code and smash their assessments. First up, the coding challenge. Understanding what they test is your first step to passing this. Primarily, is a test of your coding abilities, so let's dive into some proven strategies. Step 1. Sharpen your swords. Practice on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or CodeWars. Start with easy problems, gradually increasing the difficulty. Focus on data structures like arrays, linked lists, and trees, and algorithms like sorting, searching, and recursion. Practice regularly. Step 2. Understand the key concepts. Tailor your study depending on the role you're shooting for. Review the coding principles relevant to your role. This is crucial. Research core concepts and prepare your knowledge. Review. Now, onto the ICT Individual Contribution Tracker Assessment. This evaluates your understanding of your role and how you contribute. Step 3. Prepare your key skills. Since this will test your contribution and understanding of the role you're applying for. Understand how your role operates and what is expected of you. Step 4. Practice. The more you simulate, the better you perform. Simulate your assessments to prepare for the real deal. Practice tests online from sample papers. By focusing on coding skills, understanding your role's requirements, and practicing consistently, you'll be well on your way to acing both assessments. Good luck, and remember, prepare is half won.